So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Professional. Previous last butterfly layer haircut made you a lot of satisfactions. I hope you all are enjoyed the previous videos, and today we bought long layers, and as you see in the thumbnail also, this is one of the first time and a haircut she used to be going to get the haircut which is called the transformation of the layers. And she was expected for length will remain the long it seems, and apart from she wants layers where can be completely connect with top to bottom. Let me know in the last end of the day what kind of haircut this is we did it, and this is called my all weavers for a, and I hope you all are enjoyed this video too. And if you understand about this haircut video, please comments on this haircut name and all. I wish to you can do this comments for end of the day after watch the video. So this video will be going to pretty much interesting. Stay till the end of the day, it comes to know exactly how we did it, the step by step each and every points in these haircuts you comes to know easily. So let's get started to the haircut. Before we started to the haircut, I would like to request all of you, if you like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow my Insta and Facebook, the description below. And if you want to any purchase about the affiliate programs, you can just that also, it will be mentioned in the description below. Go and check it out. So let's get started to the complete haircut tour. So all the hair got separate, and the back hair also I'm just taking as separating the last section. And after that I'm just going to explain you help up to the comb as well in the center of the section and side section and back sections. So this is completely elevation layers in this, believe me, accept the butterfly layers. Please comment on what will you see in this haircut video in end of the day, and don't forget to like to my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Well, brings back every time such contents. So the back already we started to the one length basic for before add the layers as we see in every video, and this is a basic fundamentals which can be layer carrying purpose. This one length basic is pretty much important for, and after that we add the layers, and step by step we'll start the each and everything technical basis very clearly. And so after that all the hair I got comb, center profile I picked, and just over directing to the elevation basis with all hair, because the intention will be I want to save the hair length. So exactly the opposite, over layering and just bringing up and just cutting out of it the rest of the hair and adding the multiple layers step by step. And vertical section I'm just going to be take care, and the rest of the balanced hair I'm leaving as it is, the bottom hair, and remaining part picking as guideline and lifting to the over direction and adding the layers. And two more sections got remain, and we're going to be finished sooner. The last section is got completed. and after that I'll come to another side. The same stationary guideline I picked from the previous side and rest of the hair as it is following the layering. One thing we would notice, which is called the 2 times we overlifting to the layers. First thing towards over elevations and after that 120 and just lifting on the hair. The thing is, when I lift to the 120 the curved part the hair, I'm just adding additional layer in the bottoms which can be flexible, visible, and length will be maintained, remain the same. So that is the simple techniques and small step we just implementing for long layers. Why? Because we want to show that at the time layers and apart from long length, and in this haircut video without compromising any length, and also we don't accept with any kind of tail in this haircut. For natural inversions or 90-degree layers is majorly its end of the day comes any tail in the bottom, but these haircuts definitely not any tail you would be seen in this. After that I'm cross checking both the sides. So one side I'm just checking, and after that another side. I'll come to the side portion after this. So before start the layer, I'm just giving one length basic. And after that I'll start to the elevations. To the overlifting on the hair. After that I'll come to another side. The stationary guideline picked from the back, and rest of the hair going to be start the layers. The last section will going to be finished. After that I'm going to be release the crown down fringe portions. So because big horseshoe section we took, why? Because we won't add extra more layers and non-compromising the length, and both the 3 up sides we getting taken connect by the center of the crown and adding more layers, and it can be visible very good, clean and neat finishing, and also more layers you will to see in this technique of the haircut. So slightly bringing forward up to the finger forward but to my hand fingers. Why? Because I want to adding the more layers and compromising the remain previous length. and all hair exactly center of the crown we lifting up and just add the layers. So that this side I come, one side is got finished and started to another side. The last section will going to be finished. My cut got finished. Now I'm going to be release all hair, and after that I'm just going to start the styling blow dry as it is. You see in that spiral blow dry. After that I come to the side portion. After that I'll come to another side. After that I come to the crown portion. Last two section is got remained and one section is going to be finished. After that last fringe section we are just going to be finish the blow dry. To just completely finish the styling, and after that I release the complete of the hair that you can just see completely midlands to ends. You can see the clearly layers. Its looking was awesome and finishing was absolutely nice and mesmerizing finishing. After that you can just see that from the front it's looking very much clean and neat finishing, and the density will be remain the thickness and the shine on the hair and so much of flexibility on the layers. So after this we are just going to start the texture. The texture is very much important for a carry forward the long length layers, which can be give a clean and neat finishing. After the texture, we just releasing on all the hair, and before that I'm just going to be give some fringes, long fringes, and the cut will be finished. So this is a called final look. Hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Facebook Insta page in the mention in the description below. Please go there and check it out, and please follow me Instagram and Facebook as well. Well, we meet up to the next upcoming different video. Until, take care and be safe.